This gorgeous Lake Oswego home with exceptional design backs to Greenspace views in a premium location. It's just minutes from Lake Oswego's fantastic amenities and within walking distance to parks, the best schools, and Green Tree Pool. Discover impressive updates throughout in this daylight ranch of nearly 4,200 square feet. New hardwood floors lead you to the open and vaulted living room and dining area, a light-filled entertaining space. Head out to the brand new Trex deck and take in the private Greenspace views. Or relax by the new gas fireplace. The open concept floor plan is ideal for entertaining, with a gourmet kitchen and a thoughtful design to help you create your favorite cuisine. Find a peaceful retreat in the main level primary bedroom and a luxurious ensuite bath. The walk-in closet with organizers includes a convenient laundry chute, accessible to other bedrooms as well. This 6-bedroom home has new triple-pane windows, new high-end carpet and pad, new AC, and new paint. On the lower level, you'll find a huge bonus room for a theater, additional office space or game room, with a stylish wet bar, plus additional bedrooms. Other bonus spaces could be perfect for game night or your home gym. Plus another beautifully updated full bath. The large fenced yard is ready for your garden or entertaining on the finished covered patio. A must-tour home to appreciate the expansive floor plan, fantastic upgrades, and incredible value. It's all here on Sunny Hill Drive, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.